I swear it was just sunny like 3 minutes ago, and now it's pouring rain. Is this normal for Kuala Lumpur? And I'm meeting my buddy Rick here at Village Park Restaurant because I told him I really wanted some good Nasi Lemak, and he said this is the place we have to go. And I'm really excited about this because the first time I had Nasi Lemak in Singapore completely blew my mind. So let's see if it's any good here. I'm here with Rick, obviously, and Christina. And Jasmine. First of all, you took me here. Is this your favorite restaurant for Nasi Lemak?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because you said you went to school near here.
Near here.
So you come here.
I come here quite often.
Christina, you also like this place?
Yeah.
And Jasmine, you like this? You been here as well?
Most famous Nasi Lemak.
This is the most famous Nasi Lemak place.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Well, I'm excited to try it. What's on top?
It's some herbal.
Lime,
Some herbs, some
Yeah.
lime,
baby
curry leaf. It is all fried. Can I just try this?
Yeah.
ginger haze.
Ginger.
Yeah,
Yeah, extremely crunchy. Yeah, very herby. All right, I'm gonna dig into this chicken a little bit. Wow, gotta get past the crunchy exterior. Gotta put some sambal sauce on here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sambal sauce,
Yeah. You mix it with the rice.
mix it with the rice.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the little fish? Because I know like Nasi Lemak has a little fish, right? Oh, little anchovies right here.
Yeah.
And the peanuts. That's pretty intense. Wow, that crunch is really interesting, huh? Let me just take a bite of this on its own. I love the chicken, the crunch of it, the juiciness of it, just mixed together with the sambal sauce. Oh man, this sauce is great. Somebody should bottle this sauce.
The rice is so fragrant.
That's another thing about the Nasi Lemak is the rice is a big factor. So is this coconut? This is coconut rice as well.
Yeah. And you put pandan leaf inside.
They put pandan leaf inside?
Yeah, it's put together.
It's cooked together with the rice. This rice, I think you can just eat it on its own. Oh, look at this piece of chicken. Oh, that's a nice piece right there. I feel like it's a really fulfilling meal. You kind of have everything you're aching for. You want some crunch, there's the peanuts in the outside of the chicken and the cucumbers. You want some savoriness, you want some juiciness, chicken delivers that. You want some creaminess, you got the egg, and you want some fragrance, there's your coconut. I guess the bottom line is, you should eat one of these things. I've even had this dish on an airplane and it tasted good. This is one of those dishes that I've never had a bad experience with. This next dish, rendang.
Rendang.
And you guys just eat it with the last Nasi Lemak?
Yeah, mix it
Yeah?
together.
You mix it in the rice?
The gravy and the beef.
It looks very gentle
Yeah.
and falling apart when I'm poking it.
How does it look like?
The beef flavor is really intense. This is the perfect companion for rice, you know? I mean, it's saucy, it's beefy, like it just grabs onto every single grain and transforms it. This is like the Edward to the rice's Bella, you know what I'm saying? Or Jacob, whatever. Is that too old? I just watched that 2 weeks ago. Worst movie ever. This is also a little sweet, a little peanutty. I feel like a common theme in Malaysian cuisine is there's like a bunch of different elements, but usually sweet is something that's always there. Like a lot of Malaysian cuisines is like there's always a sweet element to it.
This is mee rebus.
Mee rebus. What is a mee rebus?
Basically, it is noodle with a gravy. So you need to squeeze these things, the limau.
You guys call it a limau here?
Yeah.
Calamansi in Philippines, that's what they call it.
Yeah.
I love this little lime thing. Mix it up. So right now, I already see it has some, oh, what is this?
I think it's
Tofu.
tofu.
Oh, wow. Fried tofu. Big piece of egg, dry shrimp. I don't know if just the first bite I ate, that first bite was ridiculous. The gravy is extremely creamy. I don't know if that's the egg making a huge difference in there or not. That gravy is just so nice. But I feel like with some sambal sauce.
You want to add it in?
Yeah, I do. I mean, I feel like it's gonna make it a lot better.
Crazy?
Wait, you guys won't do this?
I don't do this.
You don't do this? What?
We don't do this. Let me try.
I like it. I mean, I mean, it's a little spicy now.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It's a little spicy now. The gravy was really creamy, and I feel like a little spice, a little heat. I mean, you don't have to do this, but for a chili head like me,
But actually it's good. It's good.
You like it, right?
Never tried before, yeah, but it's good.
see, you guys laugh at that. I think the gravy also, there's so much stuff in here. It's not just like, there's a simple gravy. There's like a bunch of different spices in here. It's actually got a lot of depth to it. And I feel like these are not easy noodles to cover it in sauce because they're quite thick. I mean, you need to have a really flavorful sauce to penetrate these noodles and make them delicious. And this sauce definitely does the job. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up and we're sharing some of the dishes because the food day's not over. Where are we going next?
The bagel.
Beggar chicken.
Yeah.
All right, this is insane. I mean, I love watching Chinese dramas.
Yeah.
And apparently, in one of my most favorite martial arts dramas called The Condor Heroes, the sequel, which is, I don't know, The Condor Lovers. I don't know what the translation is. There's a dish that one of the martial artists just loves. And it's called xiao hua ji, or beggar chicken. And it's cooked like in mud or something. I don't know.
It's
And
covered with that.
it's covered in mud.
Yeah.
And they actually have this dish here. So we're gonna go eat that.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's eat everything first, and we'll go. Here we are, guys, at this restaurant that's pretty isolated, right?
Yeah,
it's like
very
away
isolated.
away from the city.
Yeah.
This is incredible. So let me show you a couple things. Okay, so this is the mud that's in its natural state. And they use the machine to blend the mud. Can I touch? Look, oh wow, it's like putty.
Yeah.
Really sticky putty. Oh guys, look at this. This is all wooden charcoal. I can feel the heat right now. And they told me my chicken is right here. See that little bump? We're gonna get to this chicken. This is the chef here, Mr. Ong. And he makes this beggar chicken. So he's gonna show us kind of how the whole process goes. Yeah. The chicken is wrapped in this paper right now. So he's just taking the clay. The clay is just kind of smothered around the chicken. Just dig a hole anywhere?
Just push it.
Just push it. Oh, okay. Oh. Wow. I feel the heat. I feel like I'm digging a chicken grave. All right, the chicken is on the shovel. It's already heavy. Should we say a few words? I mean, you've been a good chicken. You've had a good life. Now it's time to feed other people. Rest in peace. Okay, so now this chicken will be buried. So some fresh charcoal. Well, I just forgot where I buried the chicken. Oh, here? I forgot where I buried the chicken. This is what happens when you don't leave a marker. That's why tombstones were invented. And then put some fire on there. How long does that cook for?
6 hours.
6 hours. This is why you need to order 1 day in advance for this chicken. All right, I'm already begging for this beggar chicken. Yeah, I got this. It's my chicken, my responsibility. All right, buddy. Come on, buddy. Here we go. So I'm gonna put it into the wheelbarrow. There we go. Okay, wheelbarrowing my chicken to the dinner table.
Oh, you want to use?
Oh, I just break
head.
it? Seriously, I can just break it?
Yes. It's very easy.
Is it? Okay, I'll do it. All right, ready? Okay, there's a crack. It's open. Look at that. You can already see the paper. It's a little wet from the moisture of the chicken. I'm already smelling the chicken right now. And then I'm just gonna break this paper apart and take it out from underneath the chicken. There it is. Beggar chicken. It's just begging for someone to eat it. It's not over yet. We also got a piece of pork in this crazy oven right here. This also is really heavy because of that clay and mud. I think I know the procedure by now. Take this to my wheelbarrow. I feel like I could work here. So we're gonna break this again. That's hot. Oh man, it's really hot. Just a short burst of punches. There we go. That time I felt like Goku. That pork is smelling better than the chicken. Are we ready for the unveil? Are we ready for this? There we go. Look at that bacon. That is just stewed in the marinade. I see all the fatty pieces. Now let's go to our table. So that's how the chicken, the pork, and the rice ended up on this table. By my fists. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. All right, well, let's start eating right away because the chicken's been out of the mud for a while. Yeah. Nice. That drumstick just fell off the body, by the way. Like literally just slid off. Oh, you got the chicken feet.
Yeah.
Oh, is that your favorite part of the chicken?
Yeah.
And I love breast meat, so I love white meat as well. Oh, wait a second. Did you guys know this chicken is stuffed? Look at this.
There's herbs inside.
This chicken is stuffed. Yeah, some herbs, like a lot of Chinese medicinal herbs. I am so excited about this. Oh, the herb and the Chinese spices is perfect for this.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh. Have you had more tender chicken than this? Think of a time. I don't have a memory of a more tender chicken than this. Oh, that is, guys, this is just incredibly, insanely good. I thought at first, I thought like, it could be a little gimmicky because you gotta dig it out of the clay, break it open with your fist, do a little hayukin to it.
Yeah.
But it's actually insanely good. Oh, there's chili hidden here. The chili has a little heat, little sweetness. I literally feel like I'm in a cartoon because only cartoon characters I've ever seen like put a whole, drumstick or bone in your mouth and like, it comes out clean. This is the rice that's also cooked in the brick oven. It's the sticky rice. It's cooked for like 4 to 6 hours. It's very xiang. It's very, very, very fragrant. Now to dip it in my chicken gravy. Out of this world.
I will split it up and then let it absorb all the juice inside.
It's good, right? Oh, man. All right, finally, the pork. Check this out. Look at how tender this pork is. Like, anything I want to pick out, it just comes off. All right, this is my favorite part. The pig's toe, the most gelatinous part. This is awesome. Oh, there's so much flavor. There's some Chinese herbs in here as well. There's so much flavor in every single bite of pork. All right, this is the most gelatinous part. Here we go. It's almost like eating Jell-O. Like that's how soft this thing is. This will go great with rice. Get some of my sticky rice. Get a piece of pork. There's almost too much flavor. I feel like I almost need like a little white rice to kind of like balance the flavor out. And this fish, oh yeah, this is a country fish. The incredible about this fish is that they take out all the meat here and they make the fish meat into fish tofu. I never heard about that in my life. And they tell me there's no flour in here. This is all fish meat in the middle. So on the outside, you get that beautiful crunchy skin and then just a tender, that's pretty incredible.
Like a snack, right?
All right. This is what I've been eyeing all night. Check this out, guys. Ready for the unveil? We're doing a lot of unveils today. Ta-da! Winter melon soup. Look at this beauty. This is like a Chinese herby swimming pool. I see jujubes, winter melon, chicken. This is a chicken soup. There's some which is type of fungus. There are goji berries in here. It's extremely nourishing soup. Check this out. You can scrape the winter melon off the side as well on the bottom. Good?
Very good. 6 hours,
6 hours to cook this?
Wow.
Wow. This restaurant really puts in the work for its food. Like seriously, almost every single dish on our table is cooked between 4 to 6 hours. The winter melon, it just melts in your mouth. It's such a fresh, spectacular flavor. That soup is insane. You know what's great about this is you can just, take it's just like,
Oh, I know that. I plan to do that.
yeah, don't waste that. Oh, that was your plan? You gotta act fast, man. Oh, it's fair in love and food. This is like unlike any restaurant I've ever been to. Not only is the food like just cooked in a way that's so amazingly amusing, it's not just for show, it's actually insanely good. Guys, I'm so happy you guys were able to share this place with me. This way I can share this place with you. So come here and try it out. Just get everything I just got and you're gonna be really happy, trust me. But thank you guys again for showing me this place. Lovely, lovely meal. I can see why the King of Beggars begged for this chicken. Come try it for yourself. All the information is listed for you in my description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. Until we all eat again, see you later.